Okay, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fit a metal latch that's held on by washers. It can also be applied to the plastic latches that are held on by washers. So the latch will come with two washers, a wavy one and one that has lugs to hold it into place, and that's the opening for the latch to go onto. So put the latch into position as so. If you take the wavy washer first, put that over the top like so, followed by the washer that grips on. Once the washers are in place, I then get a small socket, put it over the top of the washers and just hammer them down like so. And there you have it, a latch that's held in by the washers.